Hello everyone, I'm Richie Mesquita. So today I'm at the port of Jamaica and it's like after a very long time I'm making a vlog. I've been inactive on YouTube, so it was really busy contract for me and couldn't go out and explore much. But it's going to be fun, I think so. In Jamaica, it's a good weather outside, so I'll be stepping out. It's the last few weeks of my contract, so let's see how is it outside. I'll try to cover as much as I can, as I usually do. So starting it from the pier, we have Independence of the Seas, Doctor side. So it's a nice sunny weather to go outside. So if you might be aware, Jamaica had a storm 2 months ago. It was completely broken down and they have renewed this port. For the last 2 months, this port was not as much as good for tourists, but now let's see how it is. As you exit the pier, Jamaica welcomes you. It's the first time for me as well, so it's a new experience for me to being in Jamaica. It's a nice sunny weather. So this is just inside the terminal itself. So I'm not thinking to step outside right now, but maybe later on I'll go outside. So that's the Oasis of the Seas, and on the other side it's Independence of the Seas. And there is some people dancing over there. Let's go and find out what's it actually. So anyone can be part of this dance. Like you just need to go on the stage and they will show you the steps and you just need to follow. I'll check out for some souvenirs if I can get good souvenirs over here. It was expensive inside, so I didn't take any of the souvenirs yet. But maybe around the terminal or just outside, I might find something. Let's find out what's it over here. There are some handmade souvenirs, also some fridge magnets. I will take a look around the terminal and maybe I will step outside to find some souvenirs, because sometimes it happens to be like it's expensive inside the terminal and then it's cheaper outside. So I'll compare both and then take something. A good collection of showpiece as well. So I think there's a restaurant over here. There is also free Wi-Fi in the terminal. A lot of shopping to do over here. There is a big queue for the Jamaican party. I will take a look once I'm back. Street shopping in the terminal itself. So this is not somewhere outside I've been yet. There's a big gate over here. As you might be aware that Jamaica is not that safe to go and explore around alone. Maybe you might get robbed over here. So it's safe to be inside the port. I mean inside the terminal itself. There is a craft market, all handmade items over here. So there is this pharmacy also in the terminal. This is the bus which will go to the beach. They charge $20 per head if you want to go to the beach. Well, I'm not having good enough time to go to the beach, so I'll just skip it for now. Okay, so because I'm alone, I'm not willing to go outside the terminal, but maybe I will go nearby somewhere where there are people around, because it's really very unsafe. If you can pull up an history from Jamaica, you will get to know how unsafe is it to go outside. So finally taking an exit to the terminal. So in the nearby areas there are people around, but if you go out like maybe a 5 minutes walk, 10 minutes walk, you will find yourself alone. So it's better to be around the terminal itself. Delroy from Jamaica, originally from Jamaica, he works on the ship with me. So say hello, please, Delroy. Yeah, man. So it's not too far where I've come outside the terminal, but there are a lot of people who have been approaching me to. First is like the taxi guy, and then people come. They ask if you smoke weed and stuff. However, I'm very far from that, but it's just for your information that people are going to come and keep approaching you. Do you smoke? You have drugs? This. It's all illegal stuff happening legally, I would say, over here. Now the place seems to be quiet over here. I think I walked too far from the terminal now, and I'm heading back from where I started coming, because here, as you can see behind me now, it's clear roads, not much people around me. So I don't want to risk it. Better to be safe. So here are also local bus services which keeps going around just like India. I will keep walking. I see some people over here. So over here the most popular thing is to eat is Jamaican patty, and every shop I went there is big queue everywhere. So I don't like to wait in queues usually. I want to try it, but as you can see, even on, I will show you one more shop. Even over here you can see there is a queue for the party. So it was a big queue and a long wait, so rather I prefer not to eat it. They still have the Christmas decorations on over here, as we recently had Christmas. I really wanted to try the Jamaican patty, so yeah, I ended up in the queue now. So this is what I waited for long. After eating, I just saw this shop and was curious to know what was it inside. So nothing much to take from here. So I think it's too much of exploring for me now. It's time to go back to the ship. It's almost 1 o'clock. I'm walking back to the ship now because I also need to rest a little bit. So we'll take a nap. So I'm in the shop, a souvenir shop, where you can get nice collections over here. You can see there are mugs, there are tumblers, there are t-shirt, caps, and they really have good deals for you, but you just need to come and look for it and bargain for your stuff. So it's Oasis and Independence of the Seas docked together. So if you are thinking to purchase something like a souvenir or something, my suggestion is go outside and buy it, because inside the terminal it's expensive. For example, this one you can see the Jamaica's tastiest, the patty what I was telling about. It's expensive over here, like it cost $4 for one over here, but outside it was like two for $4. Alright, so I'm back inside the terminal now. So I think it's time for me to end the vlog over here. It was a good day spent in Jamaica. I went out for a couple of hours. I didn't go to explore a lot deep, but if you want to explore, my suggestion would be go to the beaches. The beach is very good over here, but make sure you are with a group or something, so it's safe, I would say. However, I didn't find something like, as people were saying, that it's too dangerous, this. So it's not that dangerous, I would say. But yeah, you need to be aware when you're in Jamaica. I bought some merchandise for myself, and that's it. I end my day and I end my vlog, and I'll see you again in my next vlog. Ciao, ciao for now.